If you want to change the alarm sound on a Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can, for example, go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, go to Sound and Vibration. And then in here we have the alarm option. Here we can choose the default alarm sound that is going to be used by default in the Clock app. So we can go through this list and you can just try to find any sound that you would like to actually use on your phone. And if you find the sound, you can just tap on a save in the upper right corner. There we go. Besides that, if you want to change the alarm sound for a specific alarm, then you want to go to the Clock app, of course. And in here, we can tap on the upper side of the alarm in order to find more customization options. And then here we can go to the sound option. Here you can also see that we can use apps to use for specific alarms. And then here you can just choose anything from this list here, or you can go, for example, for YouTube Music or Spotify or other apps that you may have installed to pick a different song. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.